Welcome to my channel where I bring you entertaining and educational content for kids. In today's video, I have a short story that is sure to captivate your attention.
A greedy bear. This story is about a bear who was very greedy and wanted everything for himself. Let's dive into the story and find out what happened to the greedy bear. Once upon a time, in a forest, there lived a bear. He was known as the greediest bear in the forest. He would always want more and never be satisfied with what he had. One day, he saw a beehive hanging from a tree. The bear loved honey and he wanted it all for himself. He climbed up the tree to get the beehive, but the bees started to swarm around him and he got stung. The bear didn't give up, though he kept trying to get the honey, but every time he tried, he got stung again. The bees chased him off. Finally, the bear realized that he couldn't get the honey. No matter how hard he tried, he went back to his cave feeling sad and defeated. He realized that his greed had caused him pain and suffering. From that day on, bear learned to be content with what he had and to share with others.
We hope you enjoyed this short kid story about the greedy bear and the valuable lesson he learned. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting stories.